Hello people, this is John of Arc doing our Ilonggo tutorial with Holger here. So, I'm an Ilongga teaching a foreigner some Ilonggo words. That's how this channel started. It's for foreigners wanting to learn the Ilonggo language. So we do it bit by bit because apparently it's not buko. So this episode we are learning the word for the mature brown coconut. In Ilonggo this is not buko.
Okay.
Buko is the green
Okay.
coconut.
Okay.
For coconut this mature we call this lahing. Say it.
Lahing.
Lahing. So it means the mature brown coconut. Pasit is right behind us.
Pasit is behind the camera, and the story must be told that us Europeans, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
we like this kind of coconut, right?
Dali, di ba lang
And from the fridge and in cafes or wherever, we get it cold, we get those pieces, yummy as. Now here's my beloved Pasit. Pasit always laughs when we eat that.
Lahing.
Lahing.
Yamian siya magkaon sang lahing.
Kay lube, kay nanam.
Now the story has it.
Nanam.
Umami. It has umami.
Okay, the story has it. If you are as poor as, let's say, the poorest of the poor,
Ang
you
pigado,
would eat
pigado.
this kind of
Ang pigado.
fallen fruit,
Ang
pun intended.
pigado.
Ang pigado mo ning ginakaon.
Whereas we, the first worlders,
Kudkuron namon, at isamo sa kanon, ay butangan asin.
the poorest of the poor would
See?
Kudkuron.
kudkod,
Kudkod.
scrape,
At ibutang
scrape
sa
the
kanon,
meat,
bubod.
and they would
butangan
sprinkle
asin.
the
At saka
scraped meat
Timo.
into
yes,
rice,
it's true, yes.
and they will eat it
excuse me,
smoked.
need to
Feed
cover my
into
fish.
their mouth.
So we're not that poor. Really. But, all right, let's do this.
May ara ka na kudkuran,
Kutkuran.
scraper.
Kay wa ipagawa kayo. Pero
The knife is called sundang. Ikaw lang binang.
I'm scared too.
I'm
Ako be,
scared.
ako be.
Yeah.
Ako.
He's trying to slice
I'm
off the...
trying. I'm not going to put that on camera because
Pasit
I'm ready.
is saying, ako. She's saying, let me do it.
Ako.
Let
Ikaw.
me do it.
Ikaw.
Ako, me. So, Pasit is scraping off the coconut meat, lahing. It's also called lubi. So that's the coconut meat. So she's scraping it off from its shell.
Careful.
And for Holger to enjoy.
Wow. That's
Look at him.
true fruit of thy labor.
Loket. Loket.
Look is
Loket ang
to
lube.
remove something out of its shell. That's a specialized
But
word.
you know what? No matter what I say. Namit namit.
Loket.
My goodness.
Sang lube na lahing.
Look at that.
Lube na
Lubi, ginlukit.
No,
Scrape
trying
off.
to be gentle, but she doesn't want.
She thinks it's so
I
funny.
love it.
She thinks it's funny.
Ako.
Careful with the knife.
Ako.
Wow.
Ako.
Last
Let
time-
me.
Last time I had
Sang lahing ay
2 or 3, remember, and then I couldn't eat it.
lahing ang lube ay loket.
The reason why I love it, the consistency, the texture is tough. It's like nutty. That's what coconut is all about. And
Exactly.
you get the coconut where it's not as penetrating, this kind of coconut.
Loket.
The fresh one has a kind of
Yes, it has a
oily
different-
texture, kind of, I don't know. the
But
coconut
that's
oil.
where
But
you
this
get
one
the coconut oil.
reminds me of Rittersport. Yeah.
Is there a Ritter Sport coconut flavor?
I'm sure there is, and if there's not,
Goodness.
well, Rittersport people, that's what we have for you.
See, Pasit thinks it's so funny. Pasit and her people, like us people, we don't eat it like that
The
normally.
best dessert.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And from your own land. Shucks. We never eat those
Yeah,
things.
from our own land.
Your own coconut.
It's our own coconut.
Well, sometimes we do eat
This
that.
is her own coconut. This is her own land from Pasit. So,
Look it.
Look at that. Look at
Look
how Pasit look it.
Look it.
can I, however,
Look it siyang lahi.
have a bit more fish?
Of course.
No, I'm just still
So
here.
here's the
Sorry,
fish
Anna,
here.
still.
Oh, more
Just
fish
wait,
there.
First a little bit more, and then
That's
later,
bangus
later I
in
eat.
rice, in cloudy rice broth and banana heart.
Kauna ito, kinilalangaw.
Nah, langaw is fly. So
Yes,
we have a lot of guests for our lunch, and even people is watching us.
Isa. Halin.
Halin, go away, people.
Halin.
I have a lot of words to edit.
Halin.
Halin. Go away, go.
Habibi, Halin.
That's
Wow.
not Habibi.
I love this. Oh, where's the goat? Where's the goat?
That's the ingredient for vegan meat patty, the banana
Well,
heart.
Funny story also to show how clever I am, but that won't be told in public.
Pagkabawas sa ano, dahil pagkabawas sa saging.
Mm.
Dahil.
Yes, I saw that.
You
Sakto na.
have to get a stone and then
There was may kanding di kagina na. There was a goat that invaded and tried to eat the leaves. At tuto siya ging kaon niya ang mga dahon da ginlagas ni Holger. Holger chased after the goat and threw mahogany seeds. Ginaboy. Hadlok nagkaripas.
Nakapagkakita ang kandig ng puti.
The kanding saw a white guy. So the goat was afraid. He saw a big, huge, white guy that's
I'm not
normally
that big.
not seen. Well, for the goat, you are.
Are you saying I'm good? Hey, people.
You're now an expert. Look at that. Look at that. Look at. Wow. An expert now. Kabalo na siya. He knows already. He knows what he's doing. That's Philippine living. Kaon lubi. Kit lubi. Munching lubi. Nibbling lubi. Kit lubi. Let me do that. Kit lubi. This is how you kit lubi. Actually, people do kit is like nibbling or using their teeth. That's kit lubi. You know, if you grate that to really small bits and then you squeeze it, that's how you get coconut milk. So the nutty flavor is actually coming from the coconut milk. You squeeze it and you get coconut milk. You boil the coconut milk, you get coconut oil. Coconut milk is gata, and coconut oil is lana. And we have a lot of uses for gata and lana. That's another story. That's a different story. That's why coconut is considered to be the tree of life, because there are many uses for coconut. That's a knife. That's sundang. He's now a coconut expert. Look at that. Ang tunga. Half. Ang tunga. Ay, ang piyak. Okay, the other half. Pihak. Pihak is the other half. Okay, that's not tunga half. Tunga is half. But pihak is the other half. Okay, so there's a word for tunga, which is half. But when you say pihak, it connotes a pair. There's a goat again. Emergency, emergency. Holger to the rescue. The anti-goat task force. He's driving out the goat. Okay. People, do your thing. Help Holger. Go. Ah, he's after the food. Tastes like snowflakes. Or, well, this is
No,
how
but,
I would
okay,
love
it's a bit, but this one, for
snowflake.
example, look how white it is, like looking into snow. I love it. That's why I'm wearing my sunglasses. Sorry.
Very good. The brown spots here are just, flakes, the brown part of the
Melting snow.
brown fat. Very good, actually. So this is a coconut shell called bagul. Bagul. And we also call the skull bagul.
Bagul, bagul,
Bagul.
bra.
So we have an expression to use your coconut. Use your coconut. Use your bagul. Usara imo bagul. I take your word.
I mean, fresh buko juice is beautiful. It's cool, but still does not beat by a mile. Old, moldy, rubbish coconut.
Pasif thinks it's funny. Right, Pasif?
It's like chocolate of the best afterwards. To top off every meal.
This is John of Art with the lahing brown coconut. And see you in our next video. More to come.